what's this here?
It's lamb shank.
Cooked in oil.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the big chunk of meat. Look at that. Broad bean dill rice.
Yes.
It's called the
Bagali polo.
bahakali pulao.
Yeah.
So we got the broad bean dill rice.
Exactly.
The regular Persian rice. The lamb shoulder.
Garlic and onion. Look at that.
Oh, and here's saffron.
Saffron everywhere.
Rice. Yeah. And barberry.
Barberries.
And then we're adding on the crispy saffron rice from the bottom of the pan, right? Oh, and what's this?
This is a special sauce. And look at that.
Butter.
Butter, more butter.
More butter. Wow, that looks delicious. Oh, and we're adding even more. This is the onion tomato sauce.
Yeah.
That is amazing. Thank you. And what's this here?
We call it Capitan Abed sauce.
Capitan Abed sauce.
Yeah.
Wow. Right out to the seating area. And this is the kebab platter.
Yeah.
Wow. That is incredible. We got the kubide, the chicken.
Shish kebab.
Shish kebab. Oh, and then this is the best part, my favorite spot. The grilled tomatoes.
Yeah.
Covered in saffron butter. Look at those. And there it is. Merci. Oh, and this is ours here. Look at that. Wow. Persian meat. Merci. Oh, and the secret saffron oil. The Capitan Abed sauce. Merci.
Merci. Merci.
Oh, and there's more. Look at the meat. Merci. Wow, what a beautiful sight. So we got the chicken in saffron.
Yeah.
We got the
Back kebab.
back kebab, which is leaner.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, exactly.
We got the shish kebab.
Shish kebab. We call it shishlik.
Shishlik.
Onions.
Oh, the tomatoes.
It's
Those
gorgeous.
look really good.
We've got lamb in it. We've got chicken leg. We've got kubide and tadik and barberries.
And barberries, fried chicken. The kubide is in the back here, right there. It's like a hidden kubide.
Yeah.
And then this is what I'm really looking forward to trying here.
Yeah. We've got the shoulder. We've got a special sauce on top, which is saffron, butter, and Kermanshahi oil. Also, tomato with onion sauce as well.
With the special Persian rice.
Yeah, Persian rice.
So we're gonna pour this tomato onion sauce. Oh, or a bit of both. Wow.
And also dill and
and the dill broad bean rice,
which is bagali polo.
Oh.
Wow. And the tadik on top.
And they've also given us a plate of the tajin, the upside down Persian rice with saffron on the bottom. And I'm gonna take some of that tadik with the rice, tomato sauce, and the meat. Oh wow. Oh, it's so delicious. This is the best food. The best meal in Iran. Oh, and this is the herbal